Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam Valentine's Day centerpiece. And so what you'll need is going to be one of these candle holders. It's like a tea light holder. I also have one of these plates. It's a candle holder plate. You'll need one of those. And then this little plastic bowl. And so you'll need one of those. I have got some of these peel and stick gemstones from Walmart. You can find these on half sheet size at some Dollar Tree locations. I've got pink flowers and then white flowers. I also have something that looks a little similar to baby's breath, but it doesn't say baby's breath on the tag there, so I have some of that as well. I've got some table scattering pink. I have another packet of table scatter here. It's just little hearts in pink and red. I'll be using these to make some picks with it. And in order to do that, with these little scrap pieces here, I always save these when I cut down my flowers. I always save the stems because you can use them to create picks, and that's what I'll be doing with these. I've got a styrofoam ball that's been cut in half. I've got some pink ribbon that I may or may not be using. We'll see. Some wire cutters and some hot glue. And these are the items that we'll need to create the centerpiece, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, isn't this beautiful? And so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.